Welcome! In this video I will be covering the commands used to extend a volume group, followed by the commands to reduce a volume group. A volume group is a storage pool made up of one or more physical volumes. One of the advantages of LVM is that you can increase the size of a volume group pool by adding new physical volumes to the volume group. If you do not have a physical volume free for allocation to the volume group, then you may need to perform a PV create on a physical device first. Of course, if that device is a disk partition, then you may also need to use fdisk before creating the physical volume. Both of these steps are identical to the steps used in creating a logical volume, so I won't detail them here, although you can watch me as I perform them. I have created a new 512 MB partition on /dev/vda and set its type to Linux LVM. I have also executed the PV create command using /dev/vda3. The next step is to add the physical volume to the volume group. But before we do, let's check the current size of the volume group with VG display. Note the VG size value, and you may also want to note the free PE/size value as well. VG extend vg-alpha /dev/vda3 will extend the vg-alpha volume group by the size of the physical volume /dev/vda3. We can verify this by looking at VG display again. The total VG size, and more importantly, the free PE/size have increased by the size of the new physical volume. We can now extend existing logical volumes or add new logical volumes in the free physical extent space. One of the reasons for extending a volume group with a new physical volume may be to replace a physical volume that is showing signs of failing. Or perhaps you want to replace slower hardware with faster hardware, a shiny new SSD for instance. In this demonstration, let's assume that /dev/vda2 is showing signs of pending failure, and that /dev/vda3 is our replacement device. To remove the physical volume /dev/vda2 from the volume group, I first need to move all of the physical extents from that physical volume to free physical extents elsewhere in the volume group. pvmove /dev/vda2 will do this for us. The previous VG extend command ensured that we would have sufficient free physical extents to perform this operation. You can perform this operation while users are still using logical volumes within the volume group. It is recommended that you back up data stored on all logical volumes in the volume group before using pvmove. An unexpected interruption during the move, such as a power failure, may leave the volume group in an inconsistent state, which in turn may cause loss of data in the logical volumes in the volume group. VG reduce vg-alpha /dev/vda2 would then remove the physical volume from the volume group. If the physical volume was removed so that it could be reallocated to another volume group, then you could now use VG extend with this physical volume on the new volume group. Alternatively, PV remove can be used to wipe the LVM metadata from the device, reverting the physical volume to a normal disk or partition again. To recap, extending a volume group may require you to prepare a physical device and use PV create, followed by VG extend to add the physical volume to the volume group. Use VG display to verify the new size. To reduce a volume group, use pvmove to redistribute the physical extents from the existing physical volume, and then VG reduce to remove the physical volume from the volume group. The physical volume is now free to be reallocated to another volume group or decommissioned as a physical volume. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching.